A fast food joint sells three types of items: burgers priced at 80 each, dosas priced at 50 each, and fruit juices priced at 35 each. On a particular day, exactly 60 items were sold, and the total earnings from this was 2700. What could be the maximum number of burgers sold? क्या क्या दिया हुआ है इन बर्गर डोसा एंड फ्रूट के? इनके इंडिविजुअल रेट्स दे रखे हैं. So burger, dosa, and fruit juice. The price of each one of them is 80. This is for a burger, price is rupee 80. For a dosa, price is 50 each, and for fruit juice, price is 35 each. Now I'm assuming that number of burgers sold. I'm assuming the number as burgers sold are X, dosa sold are Y, and fruit juices sold as Z. It is given that 60 items were sold, so the sum of, or I'm writing the total, the sum of these three X, Y, and Z must be equal to 60, right? And total earnings from this was 27, and so earnings were 80X from the burger, 50Y from the dosa, and 35Z from the fruit juice, and it is given as 2700. Now this sum is equal to 2700 and this sum is equal to 60. We have to maximize x. We have to find the maximum value of x. For it, or to maximize the value of x, we have to find the integral values of dosas and fruit juices sold, right? We have to minimize these two values in order to get the maximum value of burgers sold. So let's just eliminate this variable from these two equations. So first of all, let's just divide this equation by 5. It becomes 16x plus 10y plus 7z is equal to how much? 5 into 25. 25, 25, 625 plus 625 plus 50, 675. Okay, so this is 675. Now multiply 16. So this is the first equation. This is the second equation. Subtract 16 times the first equation from the second equation. You would get 16x, 16x cancel, and it become okay. So okay, we have to subtract second equation from the 16 times of first equation, right? And we would get 16y minus 10y, 6y. 16z minus 7z, 9z, as 960 minus 675. So it become 25 700. So 260 plus 25. So 285. 285. So we can cancel out it. 10 to this 15. We can cancel. We are getting something wrong. So if I divide it by 5, what do I get? Oh, so we made a mistake here. This is not 675. This is not 625. It becomes how much divided by 5? 16, 10, 7. 5 times is 25. 4 times is 40, 20 and 0, 540. If I subtract 560 from 960, what do I get? 420. This is 420. Right? 960 minus 540. Do I get 20? Yes, 420. And divided by 3 then. So I get 2y plus 3z as how much? 3, it is 140. So this is the final linear equation in two variables. We have to find the minimum values of y and z. For example, if I write the First solution to this equation. For example, if z is 0, I get the value of y as 70, but it is not possible. Total number of items are only 60, right? But we are uh, we are calculating the sum of y and z. पहला यहाँ से सॉल्यूशन जब निकाला मैंने वाई एंड जेड का, ये 70 आया वाई, जो पॉसिबल नहीं है, 60 आइटम्स थे। पर यहाँ से मेरे को आइडिया लग जाएगा काय का, सम का। देखना सम कैसे डिक्रीज होते जा रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट सॉल्यूशंस मुझे कैसे मिलेंगे, ये 3 लेस हो जाएगा 67, ये 2 से इंक्रीज हो जाएगा। तो अब सम देखना, यहाँ पे 70 था, यहाँ पे 69 था, और ये ऐसे डिक्रीज होता जा रहा है। सो लोएस्ट वैल्यू और जो मेरे को मिनिमम सम मिल सकता है इनका, वो कब मिलेगा, when this y become the lowest, right? So ये वैल्यू डिक्रीज होते 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 कहाँ पे पहुंचेगी, आपने निकालना है इसका लास्ट इंटीग्रल सॉल्यूशन। In that case, we can put y as 0, so it becomes no 3. So it gives a remainder of 2, right? So I can use y as 1, y as 1, it becomes 138. So I get z as 46, right? So sum of y plus z becomes 47. This is the minimum possible sum. Minimum possible sum for dosa and fruit juices, right? So maximum value of x becomes how much? 60 minus 47, because there were 60 items, and minimum value of dosa plus fruit juice is 47. So I get, or this guy, this fast food joint can sell 13 maximum number of burgers. So correct answer is 1 3.